Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a simple 3-step plan that you can use for any niche site in 2024 to make sure that you get key phrases that you can rank for in 2024 updated. So if you're looking to get keywords that you're able to actually rank for and that will bring you sales, this will really help you, and you can use this with any niche site. You can see on the screen here I'm going to use the example of air purifiers, but you can use this for any niche that you want to, and it will enable you to get some really great key phrases. So on one side you've got the products, which is what you're promoting, so air purifiers and the different product reviews, but I'm speaking more about the keywords that will bring you targeted traffic. So looking forward to showing you that. Do check out the link below if you're interested in a beat the 9 to 5 income stream. It's totally free. You get the income stream instantly. It's a video guide that will guide you through step by step of how to set it all up. Really simple. Anybody can do it. It's one of the best income streams that I recommend for beginners. That's in the link below in the description, so do check that out, and that's available to you. And subscribe and like if you appreciate this video. I'd really appreciate it. And without further ado, let me show you how to get key phrases that you can actually rank for that will work for you. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, even before a keyword tool, is to go to a good AI tool. Now, one that I'm using that I really like, you can do this with ChatGPT, you can do this with Google Gemini. One that I really like at the minute is Perplexity. I just think it works really well for this method, and this is a simple 3-step method. This is the prompt that you want to use for your niche, and it goes like this. I want you to help me with keyword research for a site in the air purifier niche. Obviously replace that with your niche. The site will rank via SEO. I want you to build me keyword clusters around best key phrases, for key phrases, versus key phrases when people are comparing an air purifier. Do you understand? It's good to say that in the prompt. And then I want the key phrases to be laser targeted and rankable on Google. So you can expand on that, but that will give you some great starting points for key phrases. And the simple 3-step plan is this. When you've got your product reviews on your site, the next step is best. So those key phrases are like this: best air purifier for home, for allergies, for smoke, for pets, for large rooms, for small rooms, for offices, and so on. All the different reasons that people buy, but they're looking for the best choice. So that gives you some really laser targeted key phrases. Best air purifier for pets, and then you've got all the reasons as well. Okay, so the next sort of keyword cluster is all the 4 key phrases: air purifier for asthma, air purifier for smoke, air purifier for pet dander, air purifier for mold, and so on. Okay, and although they're similar, because you've got best and then you've got for, you can also use autocomplete on Google to get an idea of these phrases. And what you're really looking for is best and then 4 key phrases. So you've got these keyword clusters. They're the reasons that people are actually buying a product. So yes, air purifiers, but it might be best rowing machine for cardio. So it works with any product. People buy them for reasons. So another starting point that you can use is to think about the reasons that people buy products. Like, what benefit are people getting from purifying the air? Well, they might want to get rid of smoke. Best air purifiers for smokers. Best air purifier for pets, to get rid of the sort of pet smell in your home, and so on. Okay, and then you've got the third part of it, which is versus key phrases. This works really well, and this is what people do before they buy something. They compare with another product that they've got in mind, whatever it is, whether you're buying a TV, whether you're buying a whether you're buying like a sound system. If you're spending a lot of money, you're going to compare. And the other thing you can do is a little bonus for you. With versus key phrases, it can be difficult to compare. because you're like, oh my god, what am I going to write about? I don't know about these products. And that's when you can go further with the versus content, and you can take one of them like this Dyson air purifier versus Koway, and you can say, help me with this, give me the pros and cons of each, and help me explain who should buy each choice. And you can see that Perplexity's gone off and said, okay, pros of Dyson air purifier, cons of Dyson air purifier, pros of Koway, and then cons. And then you can expand on that information yourself using this and the sources it gives you as an idea for the pros and cons. So that allows you to create niche sites that are really quality information, that are built properly, that are targeting key phrases that people actually use to buy. So there it is, a really simple 3-step plan. Quick rerun through is just use this prompt at the top for best key phrases, 4 key phrases, and versus key phrases for a starting point on your site, and you'll be able to build sites really quickly that will rank with great information. And that's exactly how to do it. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Do like, do subscribe, and also check out the opt-in below. It will give you a free video guide today straight away that will give you a free income stream that you can start setting up. No catch, you get the video straight away and you can get started. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.